Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 Messenger notifications not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open Messenger app. Now click on this option icon and then click on settings icon. Now here click on notifications and sounds. And from here turn on notification previews. If you have turned off this button, then turn it on, and after that go back to your home screen and open settings. Now in settings scroll down and open apps. Now in apps scroll down and now open Messenger. Now in Messenger scroll down and open the storage. And in storage clear the app data and cache memory of Messenger app.